everyone, it's me, Chelsea. Today we're going to try it together and do a really cool science experiment. Let's get into it. You may have heard of a vinegar baking soda experiment before, but this one is really awesome because we're going to do something a little bit different. For this experiment, you're going to need distilled white vinegar, some baking soda. We have a measuring cup here that has a spout on it so it's easy to pour. We have some measuring spoons, a funnel, and then you'll definitely need a balloon and an old water bottle. For your first step, you're going to need to take your funnel and put it into the end of your balloon because we're going to be adding some of our baking soda into the balloon. Now, did you know that baking soda is a base? And a base is actually going to react to an acid, which is what our vinegar is, in a really interesting way. So once you've got a couple of tablespoons of that baking soda, you'll feel it in the balloon there. You can take that funnel out, set that aside for a moment. Then for step 2, we're gonna add that vinegar and we're gonna put it right into the bottom of the water bottle here. I've got just a little bit in the bottom of my water bottle. Now here comes the fun part. So I'm gonna take the end of my balloon and I'm gonna put it right over top of the end of that water bottle. Make sure it's on there tight so that we don't end up with any spills. And then what you're gonna do is flip this end of your balloon over and the base that is your baking soda is going to react with your vinegar. This is going to cause a reaction that's going to create a gas that's going to fill up our balloon. Are you ready to try it? Let's give it a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Oh my gosh, look at that! That's pretty cool! Look how much gas is being released from that reaction. That is all being filled up because of the reaction of that acid in the base. Pretty awesome, huh? I hope you had a great time trying this together with me. I can't wait to do more science with you at the museum soon. Until then, try this experiment with different colored balloons and see what happens. See you soon.